Hey, so I'm a Boston Terrier mom. Do you have a French Bulldog, a Boston Terrier, or any other short-nosed Brachiocephalic dog? You know when they do that really scary reverse sneeze, like, and they can't breathe, and you're like, oh my God, what do I do? What do I do? So I owned a Boston before I owned my current Boston, and now I just figured this trick out, and I want to share it with you, the whole world, because I think it's unbelievably helpful. So when the reverse sneeze starts, you need to walk up to your dog and take one finger and literally cover either nostril completely for like 5 to 10 seconds, and it corrects the problem. It's unbelievable. Try it. Let me know. Thank me later.